Hey everybody, it's Greg from Rev, and today I'm really excited to share with you our new Mecanum Drivetrain Kit V2. We took a lot of the feedback from the old Mecanum Drivetrain Kit that we had from previous seasons, and we've upgraded this kit into V2. The biggest, most notable upgrade from this kit is the addition of the Ultra 90 gearbox. So this is a gearbox that we launched about a year ago that allows you to have a through-bore right-angle output right on the end of your UltraPlanetary. So you can still upgrade all your gearing and speed, but now you have a right-angle bearing-supported output shaft. So we've used that on the drivetrain and put the motor straight down the rails. So what that now means is the room in here that used to be taken up by the motor sticking into the chassis is now totally open and accessible. So if you're going to build an arm, an elevator, a shooter, a conveyor, anything that might need to take up the space in the center of your robot, this is now totally flexible space. You have the ability to easily control the width of this, and then you even have a little bit of ability to change the width, so the length of it. So regardless of what the challenge is, this will be a great solution and a great starting platform for you and your team. So all the details are on our website, and you can check out the CAD, all the documentation, and a build instruction set. And we look forward to seeing what you might do with this in the upcoming season.